What's up, guys? Fuckers. No, I'm just chicken. Chicken? I didn't mean to say kitten. Look at these fucks. Look at these fuckers. 6'9", 6'9", 6". No, I'm just kidding. It's not that funny every time. I'm gonna stop cursing. Anyways, wanted to show you guys this shit. It's a fridge. No, I'm just. Whoa. Snowberry and peach. 2 best flavors. Peace tea, my buddy. I just wanted to show you guys those drinks because, like, I've never had that many in my life before. See if I can scare anybody. Scared Sindel, she ran away. This one here is just gonna be a kind of random one, like screwing around at my house because, like, just kidding, run into the wall. What's up, dids? What you're doing, dids? Check that out. Look how big. Hold on. Look at that. Remember the potato stalks? They're about the length of my arm now. Like, holy shit. You guys hungry? Who said that? Was it you? Okay, ready, go. Mama. Play rock, paper, scissors with yourself. Best 2 out of 3 go. Just joking. Look how big my greeneries are now, my friends. Holy shit. That's green onions. Green onion. Onion, 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 onion. Sounds pretty cool. Make a beatbox of fucking onions. Look, cut your onions and fucking cry. Onion, 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 I don't know. Anyways, fucking onions. They're good for you, good for your heart. The more you eat them, the more you fart. A little dirty from going to work today, but this is my my friend's bike, Devin. You guys will meet him someday soon, but water dispenser, portal gun. Check this shit out. You'll like this. We're going. We're gone. And then gotta have a Tamagotchi. We got first gens and stuff. Mr. Poopy Butthole. Trespassing bodies, we're hiding them. She bought me this a while back. This is a throwback series. I think I had this one as a kid, honestly. Go ahead, smoke. Make my day. Welcome to my new string. No, I'm sorry. But what's up, guys? What's up? shot. I cooked her a sandwich, and now I'm gonna cook myself one. Cause I'm fucking hungry. Sunflower's doing great today. These guys are standing mighty tall. This guy's kind of poking out. That's okay. Green onion, green onion, green. Basically, my phone is shit. I'm just kidding. No, my phone keeps running out of storage. I'm trying to get a video on the go here for you guys today and last night a little bit. So we're gonna do something, I don't know, different. I got work at 4, but I'm gonna fucking burp right crazy today, and then you're gonna see and listen, and you're gonna hear. Oh. That was sick. My phone bounced off my slipper, and it like kind of saved you guys. So, are you hurt? I'm just kidding. What are you at? They love food. Fucking fatties. Fatties. Don't tell them where your snacks are because they'll fucking rat you out. They're rats. Get it? Look, every time I walks over here, by the pantry, I made this giant Kinder Egg into like a piggy bank for my tips from Mark. What do you want, Stinky? Hey, Stinky. I'm just joking. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that little nose. Hey, that's my finger. That is my finger. Give me that nose. Give me that nose. Give me that nose. Give me that. Give me that. I don't know. Hopefully it's working, but apparently I got fucking 200 gigs now on my fucking thing. Let's see. I'm just gonna check it here in a second. Excuse me. Dude, I'm gonna do it in McDonald's one day. I'm gonna walk in and just fucking power puke all over the table. Just kidding. This is pissing me off. I don't. Whoa. Holy shit. What's going on over here? Is that a fire? Or is that just something? It's a lot of black smoke. Holy cow. What is that? Holy poop. You filthy motherfucker. Holy smokes. Hopefully it doesn't fuck right up on me, because I don't know. I don't know. Getting ready for work though. Where you going, Toby? Hey? This thing is cool. You could spray stuff. Like your favorite sprays into it. Like something like this even. Blueberry cheesecake, which I have it now and it smells delicious.
Hi Beans, how are you? What's up? How's it going?
Check out my little buddy. I'll show you guys a little sooner. He needs to be updated, but he's good. He's a cool little dude. What's up?
Are you going in already?
Yeah, I was making a little video there. So
Yeah.
my neighbor Trevor.
Yeah.
I got I didn't. It's actually pretty cool, but people's been like subscribing and shit
Really?
lately. Yeah, I got
That's
like over
sick,
300 views or 300 views on my and going.
That's
So
great.
thank you guys again. I don't even.
Yeah.
It's fucking sick, man. You're going down to the garden, are you?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll take a little swing by and
Yeah. I'm just going downstairs to get my shovels and I grab my container and go to the car.
Oh, okay. Cool. Right on. I'll chat to you in a bit. Yeah, that's my neighbor Trevor. He lives down the hall there. He's a really good buddy of mine. He's like a teenager, like a childhood friend, you could say. You grew up around him and stuff. But yeah, I'm getting ready for work right now, and I'm gonna try to get some shots of me like biking down and stuff. Yeah. Oh, and I'm making myself, a drink. I haven't. Is there any more? Is this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have some of this. Oh, glitch energy. For all you gamers out there, if you're ever trying to want to try something like good for you and stuff, it's not like it's all organic, like it's not bad stuff for you and things like that. But yeah, glitch energy. Check them out. My girlfriend. Oh fuck. Try again. Check them out. Glitch Energy. They got all kinds of different flavors. I showed in a different video, but my girlfriend Sarah actually has her own. She's like sponsored and like teamed up with them. So if anybody actually does, use code PANDA. I'll put that on the screen. PANDAA, Panda with 2 A's, and yeah, you can get a discount. This stuff is deadly. Scan for more if you guys like. But yeah, they're good. I'm gonna make a drink right quick for work. This one's like one of my favorite. Do a little scoop. And it's got a cool top actually for like this. Dunk it in the top, give it a little shake, boom, done. But you know, I think he only puts like 6 ounces in it, isn't it?
6 to 8.
I think that's right on there, yeah. Perfect. Are you having some of this? No? Okay. Thank you. Top on. Give it a good shake. Comes out like a pinkish color, but oh man, it smells so good, guys. And it obviously tasted good, but I gotta get my hat now for work. Check this out, how fast I'm gonna be. Just kidding. See?
Hello, I'm a dickwad.
Angles. Angles.
How are
Oh
you?
shit. My hair.
I was in a car crash and nearly broke my damn arm. I'm so sorry, Names. You gotta be careful. Oh my gosh, I'm glad that you're okay and that you're alive. I don't know, because you've been napping a lot. Yeah, but so should I do a double? Or should I just do a single today?
Okay. Oops.
I'm gonna force it down.
Gotta put the cap on. Almost forgot. There we go. Boom. Got the fucking old Petley out. Drop down to see Uncle Trev. No. Drop down to see my neighbor Trevor now. He's at his garden. The community garden. Garden. Ho 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 ho. It's actually a nice spot though now.
Not bad, yeah. There's no water access though.
That's why they used to have lines here.
Yeah, they used to have come from that building right there. But you gotta, it was the landlord of that building that was letting us use it. See?
Oh, okay, yeah, there was a fire here there a while back.
So I
And
don't know if he hooked it up or not this year or not. See?
caught a blaze. Everybody, I don't think anybody got hurt, right?
No, I don't think
Yeah, no. Nobody got hurt, but it was a crappy fire. Lost a lot of stuff
on
on.
the next apartment over too.
Oh yeah, it spread over too, yeah. This is Trevor's garden.
That's behind you too.
Oh, you got 2 plots, yes?
3.
Oh, 3 plots, nice. Fucking guy's taking over here. Awesome. Alright, my brother, I was just dropping by to see how you were doing anyways.
Have a good day,
I'm
bro.
gonna come see your spots in there, because I didn't really ever drop in here anyway before.
I never really seen it until I started doing this.
This is, that's awesome. Alright, bro. Yes, you have a good day too. Okay, now we're off again. It's kind of windy. Sorry about that, guys. Windiness. One hand driving, fucking boy. Not gonna work. I could do it. I could bike with one hand. I fucking got this. Oh, I'm at work. And I've been making pizzas and taking orders and doing dishes and stuff, and it's a pretty good day, guys. Loving it. Just outside for some fresh air now. Just relaxing. Just relaxing, acting all cool, shooting some b-ball outside of Little Caesars. Bitch. Mom? What's up, guys? A little late getting back from work and shit. But, what's up? What the fuck is up? I wish I can get, like, a real shot of this, but, like, the moon is massive tonight. It is massive. That's the moon right above. Right there, that's the moon. Cool, right? Wow. Ate a bunch of dinner. Just been relaxing, motherfuckers. Ladies out here streaming.
I have not seen anyone have an issue like this. I don't know.
Let me just. I always drop yous. I'm dropping you guys all the time. I don't mean to. So, I got my storage figured out, like I was saying. So, it'll be good. Now I can save all my videos. Yeah. But I'm gonna throw in some more videos of like burping tomorrow morning because I'm getting up early and I'm just fucking ham on the fucking burps for you guys, and you guys will be like, yo, that is sick. I'm just kidding, but I'm gonna burp like a big pile there tomorrow, so I'm just gonna kind of throw this, like, make, I don't know, like a video out of like the last 3 days, I guess. And then we'll see how that goes and see how you guys like it. And if you like it, then fucking stick around and follow, subscribe, up to you. I don't care. I cares, but I don't care. No, I'm just caring. I care. I love you.
Yeah, they're getting high, but they turn out good, I gotta say.
Check this the fuck out, guys. Got my fucking Little Caesar shirt. Just dropped into work for checking. Well, apparently, I thought I had work at 12, but I don't. So, yeah. But I got my shirt anyway, so now I can look styling when I come to work. I didn't have to work at 12, so I'm on my way to see Devin. Get you guys to meet this fucking asshole. He's a dick. He's a big dick. He hates me. I don't like him. No, I'm just joking. We're best buddies. He's like one of my best friends in my life, 'cause he's a bitch. You're a bitch. When you watch this, you better fucking watch it, 'cause you're a bitch. I'm on my way to a tail straight now. Won't take me long. I'm almost there. I'm in the cunt's house now. I'm here.
You're that tight.
What?
What time do you have to work?
3 o'clock.
3?
Bitch. Oh.
Bitch, you famous.
Where are you going? You trying to come out with us? Yeah? This is Devon's kitty. One of the kitties. Midnight. Go on. Go on, you.
Yeah. Fucking nerds.
Whoa.
Fuck you, you stupid prick.
Fucking forgot.
Fucking dick face.
Yeah,
Fucking baby
man,
rush.
he forgot his start, so fucking it's your fault. No.
Fucking DJ's fault. Fuck face, tit face.
This is Devon, my buddy here. We're in a Prius. No, I'm just joking. We're not in a Prius.
Imagine.
Yeah,
We're in
man.
the Ken Block fucking Fiesta.
For some reason, I've seen Prius like everywhere now. I don't know why. I've heard about them. Like Jeff Dunham talks about them all the time. It's Peanut.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Prius.
the fucking women's fucking vagina case. I'm about to walk to the store.
I'm pretty sure like tomorrow I'm gonna see like what I after like paying internet bill and whatever, you know what I mean, for like the pad. I think I'm gonna get a gimbal. I'm gonna order a gimbal on Amazon, so I got something to get some good shots, good angles, smooth, you know what I mean? So it'll be some more like better shots, better videos, all that stuff. And my lady's actually getting a new phone, and the phone that she has is a Google phone, which still it has like really good camera and storage, things like that as well. So like I might like be using this one as like a second camera for like different angles, things like that, or like extra footage, because if this phone dies or something, or my original phone almost dies, then I can just carry over to this one at least, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's gonna be sick. Pee-wee's gone in to get his darts, and then we're fucking going to see our bud. Look at that bitch. Look at that bitch. Look at the bitch. I'm getting a fucking gimbal, I was just saying.
Gimbal.
Here's an aerial view of the base way back. Here's all the American soldiers that were deployed, that was stationed here. The barracks behind them. snacks. This one here is like the one in the middle is a custard, 2 chocolate eclairs, and then like a coffee bean square. I'll try this out. From the Arby's, right next to RBC, but I'm at this place called Danny's Bakery. Good. A little messy, but this one has custard, like a wafer style. Ooh. This one here has like a chewy, soft filling in the middle. Wow. This one's good. Oh yeah, new shirt. Got the hat and the shirt. Uniform. What's up, guys? I just got back like not long ago from work, and I fucking cut my finger. Whoa! Right on the top of my pinky. It's like a cut, like probably about like that big, roughly, and like it's a pretty deep cut, so like it was just bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. So, but I had to patch myself up. It's good for now. I still bend my pinky and stuff, obviously, but yeah, it was pretty bad. Woo! Big old shit. What's up, guys? I'm walking down the street going to get the bike again because I left it at Devon's, and it's quiet. It's too fucking quiet. And you know what that means. Ha 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 ha. If it's too quiet, it's not quiet enough for DJ. Oh, there's a car coming. Fuck. Spoke too soon, man. Damn it. Good lighting, though. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah, I want to show you guys the ID book, or booth, sorry, for when you would have to get into this side of town, like I was saying last video, or the video before. I can't remember my ADHD, but who gives a fuck? But yeah, so, oh, and a cool thing about this area, not a lot of people knows about, is pretty much every street is named after all like the main like provinces, or I mean countries or whatever. Like, don't quote me on it, but it's like basically the how do you say it? My buddy picking me up. I'm doing my video. I was doing a video there, and like I was like, bitch, 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 bitch. Wow. What's up, guys? I'm on to Petley again. Might be kind of hard to see because it's a little bit dark. This is what I wanted to show you guys. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So he comes up to this thing, right? Coming in this way, coming in that way. What? Someone moved those or something? It's like someone put them in the middle of the road. Cool, right?